Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official. So before starting, I'd like to tell you that this video is distributed into two parts. Okay, so in the first part, I'm going to show you on my system how to download and install Windows Sandbox and how to use it. Okay, and in the second part, we are going to know the pros and cons of Windows Sandbox. Okay, so without much ado, let's begin. But first, the intro.
So first I'm going to go to the Windows logo and then settings. If you cannot see settings over here, you can simply search for it. And here you go, settings. And here I'm going to search for turn Windows features on or off. So this one, turn Windows features on or off. So now you need to find the Windows Sandbox over here. So here it is. I'm going to select this and then click on OK. Now this will search for the required files, and if not found, it will download them. Okay, so I'm speeding this video up over here. So yeah, the changes has been completed, and now once I click on restart now, this system will restart and then I will be able to use Windows Sandbox. So I'll be right back after restarting the system. So guys, I'm back after restarting the PC, and let me now search for Sandbox. So again, I'll go to Windows and I'll search for Sandbox, and here we have the Windows Sandbox app. Let me run this and see what happens. So here we are. You can see how quick this was. Within a couple of seconds, this simply created a sandbox environment for me. And let me go to full screen, and here you can see I have a brand new system installed. Okay, so this is a Windows virtual machine which is running inside my original Windows 11, and this is great. And here now you can like install and run any program that you want, whatever you wish. Okay, so that's how we install and use Windows Sandbox.
So now that you have Windows Sandbox installed on your system, let's look at its pros and cons. So let's come to the good thing first, that is the pros. So first pro is that, see, Windows Sandbox is very easy to install. Okay, so it is a feature which is built into the Windows ecosystem. So you do not need to install any third-party application or something like that. Then the second thing is that if you go for VirtualBox or VMware, you need to like download huge setup files. You need to get the operating system ISO images, which are like basically in gigabytes. So it saves storage, it saves your internet cost and all. Then the second pro is that this Windows Sandbox is very fast. Like as you saw in earlier that Windows Sandbox started in just a couple of seconds. It's very fast, it's very smooth. You will not feel any difference between your main operating system and the virtual operating system. So it is as fast as your main system, and this is not the case with VirtualBox or VMware. So VMware and VirtualBox takes a significant amount of time. I will not say lot, but a significant amount of time in starting, and in most of the cases, if you do not have a cutting edge CPU, then yeah, it will be a bit laggy. So there, this Windows Sandbox wins. Okay, so these were the pros, and now let's come to some of its cons. So there are only two cons over here, but both of them are major ones. So the first con is that you are locked into your operating system. So as you can see over here, I have Windows 11 installed on my laptop, and when I had installed and run Sandbox over here, I was only able to run Windows 11. I cannot switch to Windows 10 or Linux, Ubuntu, Mac, anything. Okay, so I am locked to my current operating system. Then the second con is that the virtual system is basically, should I say, it's volatile in nature. So by saying volatile, it simply means that once I turn off my virtual machine, everything is lost. the next day if I like open it again, it is just a clean slate. Okay, so all the things that I had done the previous day or before in the previous session would be lost. Okay, but there are some reports that Microsoft is working on a feature built into the Windows Sandbox so that in further updates we will be able to basically restore sessions. So fingers crossed for that. So I am planning multiple new things for this channel, and if you found this video informative, do consider giving it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this to more people and others can benefit with it too. And if you want to see more such videos, then do consider subscribing to this channel. By the way, the audio and video is being recorded on the Realme GT2 Pro.
Do like this video and consider sharing it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more useful content